Hello, and welcome back to our daily English talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Roy. Didn't you know this is a place to practice listening and speaking with simple, real English?
Please help us by liking this video and subscribing. It means a lot to us.
Emma, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling quite good today.
That's nice to hear.
I feel calm and comfortable.
I feel relaxed too.
It's a good feeling to start the day like this.
Yes, slow and easy.
Just the way we like it.
Emma, did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I did.
That's great.
I had something simple.
What did you eat?
I ate some fruit and bread.
That sounds healthy.
It made me feel good.
Food really affects how we feel.
Yes, very much.
When I eat well, I feel better.
Me too.
Today, let's talk about diet and healthy eating.
That's a good topic.
It's part of daily life.
Everyone eats every day.
Healthy eating does not have to be hard.
Yes, it can be simple.
Small choices matter.
I like that idea.
Curious, when you hear healthy food, what do you think of?
I think of vegetables and fruit.
Those are good choices. I also think of water.
Yes, drinking water is important.
It helps the body.
And it helps the mind, too.
Sometimes people feel stressed about diet.
Yes, that is true.
They think it must be perfect.
But it doesn't have to be.
Healthy eating can be gentle.
And kind to yourself.
I like that way of thinking.
Me too.
Curious, Emma, do you like cooking?
Sometimes, yes. When I have time.
That makes sense. I like simple cooking.
Simple food feels less stressful.
And easier to enjoy.
Yes, exactly.
What is a healthy food you enjoy?
I enjoy salad, especially fresh salad.
That sounds refreshing. I like soup with vegetables.
Warm soup feels comforting.
Especially on a busy day.
I agree.
Healthy food can taste good.
Yes, very good.
It does not have to be boring.
That's important to remember.
Sometimes I eat snacks too.
Me too.
And that's okay.
Balance is important.
Curious, do you ever feel guilty about food?
Sometimes, yes. But I try not to.
That is a good goal. Food is not the enemy.
Food gives us energy.
And comfort sometimes.
Yes, comfort matters.
Slow eating helps me enjoy food more.
I notice that too.
I feel full more easily.
And more satisfied.
When I rush, I don't enjoy eating.
Me neither.
Slow eating feels kind.
Kind to the body.
Curious, do you eat meals at regular times?
I try to. It helps my routine.
Routine can be helpful. I feel better when I don't skip meals.
Yes, skipping meals is hard.
It makes me tired.
Me too.
Healthy eating is also about listening to your body.
Yes, that's true.
When you are hungry, you eat.
When you are full, you stop.
That sounds simple,
Simple, but not always easy.
but we can practice.
Step by step.
Everyone's diet is different.
What works for one person may not work for another.
That's okay.
We are all different.
Curious, what do you drink during the day?
Mostly water. Sometimes tea.
That sounds healthy. I try to drink more water too.
It helps with energy.
And focus.
Yes, I notice that.
Talking about food feels relaxing.
Yes, it does.
There is no pressure here.
Just sharing experiences.
In the next part, we can talk more about daily meals
Yes, like lunch and dinner.
and simple food choices.
I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you for listening with us.
Please relax and enjoy.
You are doing great.
Let's continue together in the next part.
Now let's talk more about daily meals,
Yes, meals we eat every day.
like lunch and dinner.
Simple, normal meals.
Emma, what do you usually eat for lunch?
It depends on the day. Sometimes rice and vegetables.
That sounds balanced. I often eat something quick
Many people do.
because we are busy.
Yes, life can be busy.
Even quick meals can be healthy.
That is good to hear.
It does not have to be perfect.
Just good enough.
Do you bring food from home?
Sometimes I do, when I have time to prepare.
That can feel nice. I like bringing food from home too,
You know what you are eating.
and it can save money.
Yes, that is true.
What about dinner?
Dinner is my favorite meal. I like eating slowly at night.
That sounds relaxing. I enjoy dinner too.
It feels like a time to rest.
A time to slow down.
Exactly.
What do you usually cook for dinner?
Something simple, maybe vegetables and eggs.
That is healthy and easy. I like one bowl meals.
What do you mean?
Everything in one bowl.
That sounds convenient.
Rice, vegetables, and protein together.
That feels balanced.
And less dishes to clean.
I like that part.
Do you eat meat often?
Sometimes, but not every day. I like to mix it up.
Variety is good. I try to eat more vegetables now.
Me too.
They make me feel lighter.
Yes, I feel that too.
Sometimes I forget to eat vegetables.
That happens.
Then I try again the next day.
That is a healthy mindset.
Do you snack between meals?
Yes, sometimes, especially in the afternoon.
That is very common. I also snack when I feel tired.
Me too.
I try to choose simple snacks.
Like fruit or nuts?
Yes, those are good choices.
They give energy.
Without feeling too heavy.
Exactly.
Sometimes I want something sweet.
That is normal.
I don't stop myself completely.
Balance feels better.
Enjoying food is important.
Yes, enjoyment matters.
Food is part of life.
Not just fuel.
Do you eat when you feel stressed?
Sometimes, yes. I notice it more now.
Awareness is a good step. When I feel stressed, I try to pause.
That can help a lot.
I ask myself if I'm really hungry.
That is a kind question.
Sometimes the body wants rest, not food.
Yes, or water.
Or a short break.
Very true.
Healthy eating includes how we eat.
What do you mean?
Eating slowly and calmly.
That changes everything.
I try not to look at my phone while eating,
That is not easy.
but it helps me enjoy food more.
I want to try that.
When I focus on food, I feel satisfied,
Me too.
even with small portions.
That is interesting.
Drinking enough water also helps.
Yes, sometimes thirst feels like hunger.
That is true.
I often forget that.
I keep a water bottle nearby.
That is a good habit.
Small habits add up.
Step by step.
Do you eat at the same time every day?
I try to. It helps my body feel steady.
Routine can be comforting. When my routine breaks, I feel tired.
Me too.
Eating regularly helps.
Yes, very much.
Talking about meals feels very real.
Because everyone eats.
Every day.
All around the world.
In the next part, we can talk about feelings and food.
Yes, emotions and eating.
And being kind to yourself.
I'm ready for that.
Thank you for listening so carefully.
You are doing really well.
Take a breath and relax. Now, let's talk about feelings and food.
Yes, this part feels important.
Food is not just about the body.
It is also about emotions.
Emma, do your feelings affect what you eat?
Yes, very much. When I feel happy, I eat differently.
I understand that. When I feel tired, I want easy food.
Me too.
Cooking feels hard then.
Yes, energy matters.
What about when you feel stressed?
Sometimes I want snacks, especially sweet snacks.
That is very common. I also reach for snacks when stressed.
It feels comforting.
Food can feel like a friend,
Yes, that is true.
but sometimes we eat without noticing.
Yes, that happens to me.
We eat while thinking about other things.
Or while looking at screens.
Then we do not feel satisfied.
Even if we eat a lot.
That feeling can be confusing.
Very confusing.
How do you feel after that?
Sometimes a little uncomfortable. Or a little sad.
I feel that too. Being kind to yourself is important.
Yes, kindness matters.
We are all learning.
No one is perfect.
Healthy eating is not about control.
It is about care.
Caring for your body.
And your mind.
Do you ever eat when you are not hungry?
Yes, sometimes. When I feel bored.
Boredom can do that. When I feel bored, I try to pause.
Pause before eating.
I ask myself how I feel.
That sounds helpful.
Sometimes I need rest, not food.
Or a short walk.
Or a glass of water.
Yes, simple things help.
Listening to the body takes practice.
Yes, it is a skill.
And it takes time.
That is okay.
Do you eat differently when you are with friends?
Yes, I do. I eat more slowly.
Because you are talking. Eating with others feels warm.
Yes, it feels connected.
Connection is important.
Very important.
Sometimes I enjoy food more with others.
Me too.
Even simple food tastes better.
I agree.
Do you feel pressure to eat perfectly?
Sometimes yes. Sometimes from social media.
That pressure is everywhere. Perfect eating does not exist.
That is good to hear.
Real life is not perfect.
And that is normal.
Some days we eat well.
Some days we don't.
Both days are okay.
That feels comforting.
Healthy eating includes flexibility,
And understanding.
not punishment.
Yes, that matters.
How do you feel after a balanced meal?
I feel calm and steady.
That is a good feeling. I feel clear in my head.
Me too.
Food affects our mood,
More than we think.
but treats can be part of balance too.
Yes, enjoyment is important.
A small treat can bring joy.
Joy matters.
Guilt makes eating harder.
Yes, guilt feels heavy.
Letting go feels lighter.
I want that.
What helps you eat more mindfully?
Sitting at a table. And eating slowly.
Those are good habits. I like to notice colors and smells.
That sounds nice.
It makes food more enjoyable.
I want to try that.
Even one calm meal a day helps.
Yes, small steps count.
We do not need to change everything.
Just one thing at a time.
Talking about food and feelings feels gentle.
Yes, not stressful.
That is how it should feel.
I agree.
In the next part, we can wrap everything together
Yes, and encourage our listeners.
in kindness and calm.
Let's do that together.
Now we come to the last part of our talk.
Yes, let's finish slowly and calmly.
There is no rush.
Just a gentle ending.
We talked about food, meals, and feelings.
Yes, everyday things.
Things we all experience.
That makes it easy to connect.
Emma, how do you feel about healthy eating now?
I feel more relaxed about it, not pressured.
That is very important. Healthy eating should not feel heavy,
Yes, it should feel supportive.
like taking care of yourself.
With kindness.
Everyone's body is different.
Yes, we all have different needs.
Comparing is not helpful.
Understanding is better.
Listening to your body is a good start.
Hunger and fullness are signals.
They guide us.
If we slow down,
Slowing down helps with many things,
eating, speaking, living.
even learning English.
That is true.
When you eat slowly, you notice more.
Taste, smell, texture.
And your feelings.
Yes, all of it.
One calm meal can change your day.
Even a small one.
Sitting down helps.
Taking a breath helps.
Drinking water is also a simple act of care,
Yes, very simple.
but very helpful.
I notice the difference.
Food does not need strict rules.
Rules can feel stressful.
Gentle habits feel better.
I agree.
Some days are easy.
Some days are hard.
Both are part of life.
That feels honest.
When a day is hard, be kind to yourself.
Yes, kindness helps healing.
Harsh words do not help.
Kind words do.
Kind words to yourself matter.
Just like with a friend.
You deserve that care.
Everyone does.
Healthy eating is a journey.
Not a destination.
There is no finish line.
Just many small steps.
Small steps are powerful.
They build habits.
Habits build balance.
Balance feels good.
You do not need to change everything today,
One small choice is enough.
like adding a vegetable
Or drinking more water.
or eating one meal without your phone.
That can feel very calm.
Calm is healthy too.
Yes, very healthy.
Remember, food is part of joy.
Enjoyment matters.
Smiles matter.
Laughter matters too.
Sharing meals can bring connection,
With family or friends,
or even alone in peace.
all are okay.
There is no perfect way to eat,
Only your way.
and your way can change.
That is normal.
I hope listeners feel less pressure now.
Yes, lighter and calmer.
You are doing your best.
And that is enough.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We're happy you're here.
We enjoy sharing these moments.
With you.
Keep practicing English in daily life,
Even simple conversations.
like talking about food.
Everyday topics help.
Speak slowly and gently.
Be patient with yourself.
Learning takes time.
And you are doing well.
We will be here again soon.
Yes, we look forward to it.
Until then, take care of yourself.
Eat kindly and live gently.
Thank you for listening.
Goodbye for now.